Hi guys, I'm Maitri. I'm a full-time content creator. I create home and lifestyle content alongside my pug and my business partner Ari. We often wear matching outfits like we're doing today. You can find us at Honey I Dressed the Pug on Instagram. I'm very excited today to partner with HomeGoods Studio to show you guys how to create a perfect pet space. So I live in a small New York City studio apartment, and I have found the perfect cozy corner in my apartment that I'm going to transform into a little living space for Ari using some amazing home goods finds. So I found some fun things in the pet section and also some non-pet items that I've repurposed to fit into Ari's space. So I'm going to show you guys the whole supply list and the process as we go along, so you guys can also create a perfect space for your four-legged friend. Let's get started. Okay guys, so first off, let's start by sectioning this corner with this sturdy but really pretty pet gate. Up next is a small rug and a half-moon pet chair. Ari just loves laying on soft things. So when you're working with a small space, adding multifunctional things is a great idea, like this dog bowl that doubles up as a side table. This stay positive artwork could not be more perfect. And that's the thing about home goods, right? You always end up finding the most amazing and unique things. Who knew a shower organizer could double up as a corner shelf and a marble cake stand as a coffee table? But here we are, guys, and doesn't this all work so well in the space? And of course, every pet should have their own little mini bar filled with lots and lots of squeaky pet toys. Ari can actually play with these all day. Now let's add some more cozy and happy vibes to the space with faux plants and some photo frames. And now guys, it's time for the big reveal. Let's see what Ari thinks of his new space. Head tilt means he loves his living room. A couple of things to keep in mind if you're creating a space for your pet. Use stylish faux plants since some real plants may not be pet safe. Or avoid hanging anything that's too heavy. Work with things that your pet likes so they feel at home, like I used squeaky toys, soft cushions, and rugs in Ari's space. Overall, I think he seems super comfy. So hope you guys enjoyed today's class and hope it inspired you to create a perfect space for your own pet. Ari loves his new living room, as you guys saw. Do not forget to tag your creations using #HomeGoodsFinds. See you guys soon.